Want to make extra money? Imagine having a steady stream of income flowing into your bank account every single day. Up to $100 every day, it's possible. You might be wondering how this can be true. You don't need special skills. That's right, no advanced degrees or technical expertise required. You don't need to pay anything. No hidden fees, no upfront costs. All you need is Google and ChatGPT. These powerful tools are at your fingertips, ready to help you succeed. Many people think making money online is hard. They believe it's a complicated process filled with obstacles. They think you need to be a computer expert, but that's a myth, or spend a lot of money. But that's not true. You can start with zero investment. With Google and ChatGPT, anyone can earn. These tools are designed to be user-friendly and accessible to everyone. It's like having a money-making machine on your computer. And the best part, it's easy to use. You don't need to be a tech wizard to get started. Are you ready to start? Imagine the freedom and flexibility of earning money from the comfort of your home. Let's explore how you can make $100 a day. Step by step, we'll guide you through the process. It's simpler than you think. With the right approach and tools, you can achieve your financial goals effortlessly. Here's how it works. First, find questions people ask on Google. These are questions about anything: products, hobbies, problems, anything goes. Next, use ChatGPT to write amazing answers. ChatGPT is like a smart assistant. It helps you write clear, helpful answers that people love. Finally, post your answers where people can find them. There are many places online for this. Forums, social media, and Quanda sites are great options. That's it. 3 simple steps. Find questions, write answers, and post them online. Now let's see how this makes you money. This is where the magic happens. Affiliate marketing. Imagine being able to earn money by simply recommending products or services you already love and use. It's a fantastic way to monetize your knowledge and passion. It's like being a friendly guide, helping others make informed decisions. You become a trusted source of information, and in return, you get rewarded. You recommend products or services to people. Whether it's through a blog, social media, or even in person, your recommendations can make a big difference. When they buy, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. They get what they need, and you get a share of the profit. How do you add affiliate links? Easy. You can incorporate them into your content seamlessly. When you write your answers, include links to products. These links should be natural and relevant to the content you're creating. Make sure these products relate to the question. The more relevant your recommendations, the more likely people are to click on your links and make a purchase. For example, if someone asks about baking cakes, recommend your favorite cake pans. Share your personal experiences and why you love those products. Or, if they need help fixing a leaky faucet, link to the tools they need. Explain how these tools have helped you in similar situations. With each helpful answer and relevant link, you're on your way to earning. The more value you provide, the more trust you build with your audience. It's like sharing your knowledge and getting rewarded for it. The satisfaction of helping others while earning money is truly unmatched. So start turning your words into dollars today. Section 4. Traffic is king, getting eyes on your answers. Remember those answers you posted? Now, we need to get people to read them. This is called traffic. The more people see your answers, the more chances you have to earn. How do you get traffic? Be everywhere. Share your answers on social media. Join online communities related to your topics. The more you share, the more eyes you reach. Think of it like a busy street. The more visible your shop is, the more customers you get. It's the same online. Get your answers seen and watch the traffic flow. Section 5. Consistency is key. The path to $100/day. Now here's the secret ingredient: consistency. Earning $100 a day won't happen overnight. It takes time and effort. But with each answer you post, you're one step closer. Think of it like building a house. Every brick you lay builds towards the final structure. Every answer you post builds towards your $100 a day goal. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Keep learning, keep improving, and keep posting. Consistency is your key to success. Section 6. Don't give up. Your journey to online success. The online world is full of opportunities. From starting your own business to freelancing, the internet has opened up countless avenues for people to explore and succeed. Whether you're looking to earn a side income or build a full-fledged career, the possibilities are endless. but it's easy to get lost or discouraged. The sheer volume of information and the number of choices can be overwhelming. You might face technical challenges or struggle to find your niche. It's normal to feel frustrated or confused at times. Remember why you started to earn extra money: to gain financial independence, or perhaps to create something you're passionate about. These motivations are your driving force, to be your own boss, to achieve your dreams. Visualize your goals and keep them in mind. They will help you stay focused and motivated, even when the going gets tough. Whenever you feel like giving up, remember that success is a journey, not a destination. There will be challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But each obstacle you overcome is a step forward. But with each one you overcome, you become stronger and more knowledgeable. Surround yourself with positivity. Read inspiring books, watch motivational videos, and keep a positive mindset. Connect with others who are on the same path. Join online communities, attend webinars, and network with like-minded individuals. Sharing experiences and learning from others can provide valuable insights and support. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Each achievement, no matter how minor it may seem, is a testament to your hard work and dedication. Acknowledge your progress and reward yourself. Your journey to online success starts with a single step. Take that step today and keep moving forward. With persistence, determination, and a positive attitude, you can achieve your online success. Section 7, start today. Your $100/day adventure awaits. So what are you waiting for? The world of online earning awaits. With Google and ChatGPT by your side, you have the tools to succeed. No more excuses, no more delays. Start today. Find those questions, craft those answers, and watch your earnings grow. It's time to take control of your financial future. Your $100 a day adventure starts now.